FCPS in Pakistan is like very respected and prestigious like program, ठीक है? And जब आप FCPS कर लेते हो, then there are like a lot of options for you. My name is Dr. Bisra Anzeer Khan, and I have recently completed my FCPS fellowship program in orthodontics. It's not only about oral health, क्योंकि जब आप देखते हो कि you're changing the smiles for people and you know you're uplifting their self-esteem and their confidence, so that impacts you as well. It's again a roller coaster. It's a complete mix of clinical practice, studies, your personal life, right? And then there come teaching as well, because it involves teaching, your research work. You have to find a balance. I have few colleagues who are FCPS now, mashallah, and they were doing their residency when they were like having kids.
Hello, Dr. Bisra. Welcome to Dream Job Diaries. We're very honored to have you here. So thank you so much for coming.
Hello.
Can you please tell us a little bit about yourself?
My name is Dr. Bisra Anzeer Khan, and I have recently completed my FCPS fellowship program in orthodontics. Currently, I'm working at a couple of places. So yeah, the journey is going on, and let's see how it goes.
Okay, so can you tell us about what made you pursue dentistry and then what made you follow your journey into FCPS?
Okay, this is interesting because I never thought that I would be going to dental school.
Same.
Because in the very beginning, I was very much interested in MBBS, ठीक है,
Same.
being a doctor and all, because my concept of the doctor was only MBBS doctors, ठीक है. But then I got into dentistry, and once I was introduced into the school, I was completely fascinated because that was entirely, completely different world.
Yeah.
And I guess with passing time, like when we were progressing through our different years, first year, second year, third year, तो interest develop और होना start होता है, because when you are into the clinical subjects as well,
Yeah.
ठीक है? So with passing time, day by day, it was like, you know, getting more and more deeper. The understanding of dentistry and the dental subjects got deeper and deeper. And apart from that,
Yeah.
the FCPS,
Yeah.
it was then, I guess, a very natural step, because
Okay.
I was always interested into the clinical studies, and I wanted to like pursue clinical studies later on as well, क्योंकि एक बेसिक स्टडीज़ होती हैं और एक क्लिनिकल स्टडीज़ होती हैं, बट यू समहाउ रियलाइज ड्यूरिंग योर years, especially in your house job, where your interest lies. So
Yeah,
I always knew that
100%,
I
yeah.
will be a clinician, and that
Okay.
is why I pursued FCPS.
Okay, so like, you know, you pursued FCPS, which is great, but why orthodontics specifically?
Okay. See, acha, orthodontics is a completely, entirely post-grad field.
Yeah.
A general dentist can perform root canals, fillings, like, you know, different dental procedures. So do I. ठीक है. But ये है कि orthodontist सिर्फ orthodontic treatment कर सकता है.
Yeah. So they're special in their own way.
Yes, exactly. And apart from that, when you see people like, you know, this is not only about oral health, क्योंकि जब आप देखते हो कि you're changing the smiles
Yeah.
for people, and you know you're uplifting their self-esteem and their confidence.
Yeah.
So that impacts you as
Yeah,
well.
when I have seen before and after pictures of cases like orthodontic
Yeah.
cases, it's just like magic.
Exactly.
Like what orthodontics can do, I feel like nobody can do. Like,
No,
you know.
yeah, that's the whole point of
Yeah.
orthodontics.
So coming back to FCPS, आपने FCPS किया. A lot of dentists now, Pakistan में they say there's no scope, so they think of like moving like abroad, like wherever, Canada, US. They're like looking to those exams. So what made you stay in Pakistan and what made you pursue FCPS, knowing that a lot of people say that इसका कोई scope नहीं है?
अच्छा देखो, अगर कोई ये कहता है कि इसका स्कोप नहीं है, तो आई थिंक दैट इज़ रॉन्ग.
Okay.
Because there is scope. FCPS in Pakistan is like very respected and prestigious like program, ठीक है? And जब आप FCPS कर लेते हो, then there are like a lot of options for you. You can work like, you know, in different dynamics,
Yeah.
whether it's clinical job or like, you know, hospital job, you're doing research work. And when it comes to going abroad, yes, you can,
Yeah.
सही है, but ये कि you have to give some additional certifications, some additional exams, and then you can, especially in Middle East.
Yeah.
ठीक है, but
That's something
सिर्फ
that's
ये
out of
कहना कि
everybody's
यहाँ
reach.
सिर्फ ये कहना कि यहाँ स्कोप नहीं है, I think no. It depends on the person as well, how you pursue your career, how you
So
progress
like
in your path.
personally, as a dentist also, I heard a lot about before FCPS and after you complete your FCPS, salary difference कोई नहीं है. Like they're paid, they're still underpaid, You are not differentiated from a normal general dentist when you're done with your FCPS. Is that true? या नहीं?
आई थिंक देखो, अगर हम हॉस्पिटल जॉब की बात करें तो आप FCPS के बाद सीनियर रजिस्ट्रार की जॉब पे हायर होते हो, ठीक है?
Okay.
तो सैलरी डिफरेंस तो आएगा, राइट, उधर भी. एंड व्हेन यू आर वर्किंग एट अ क्लिनिक, नो मैटर यू एन एंडोडोंटिस्ट, ऑर्थोडोंटिस्ट, प्रोस्थोडोंटिस्ट, ठीक है, मैं सिर्फ अपनी बात नहीं कर रही,
Yeah.
देयर इज़ अ डिफरेंस. आई एम सीइंग इट, लाइक यू नो, क्योंकि मैंने जनरल डेंटिस्ट के तौर पे भी काम किया और मैं अब ऑर्थोडोंटिस्ट के तौर पे भी काम कर रही हूँ, सो देयर इज़ अ डिफरेंस, आई वुड से यस.
So you do think that someone who pursues FCPS should expect a better salary,
या
right? Because general dentists are generally underpaid.
Yeah.
So if someone is pursuing FCPS, they're doing it because they're interested in the field and also because they have a salary expectation. They want their
Exactly.
salary कि थोड़ी
Of
ज़्यादा हो,
course,
of
of
course.
course.
So you think if वो expectation students who are coming up now, getting around with their house job, should consider FCPS?
Yeah, why not?
There's
If they're
scope
living
in
Pakistan-
FCPS. You think
if-
there's still
yeah.
place in Pakistan for FCPS students?
देखो, if they are living here in Pakistan,
Yeah.
FCPS is a good choice.
Yeah.
As I said, it's respected, prestigious, because it's the king over here.
Yeah.
This is how I think.
Good for you for being the queen.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So, like, what is the FCPS process like? We get done with our BDS and we do our house job. So, what happens next if you decide to get into the FCPS journey?
Okay, so like after your house job, you have to give FCPS Part 1 exam,
Acha.
right? After clearing the exam, then there's this hunt for residency program. Like you search for residency in a specific field where your interest
Just
lies. For
lies,
example,
yeah.
operative, prostho, ortho, like wherever you want to. ठीक है?
Yeah.
And there are different institutions nowadays which are like, you know, providing the residency, because back in those days when I was looking for it, there were not many institutions, but now, alhamdulillah, in Karachi,
Okay.
बहुत सारे हैं अब तो, ठीक है?
Okay.
And when you get the residency program, then you have to follow the 4 years.
Okay.
You have to like be in that roller coaster where you like, you know, do all the work and all.
Yeah.
And उसके बाद फिर intermediate exam and then part 2 exam.
So, intermediate exam is 2 years into the residency program, and then part 2 is after you complete all 4 years
Yeah.
of residency.
Yeah.
So, yeah, so how difficult on a scale of 1 to 10 do you think the exams are? And when do you think a dental student should start studying for those exams?
Okay, see, uh, it's again a roller coaster. It's a complete mix of clinical practice,
Yeah.
studies, your personal life, right?
Yeah.
And then there come teaching as well, because it involves teaching, your research work. You have to find a balance.
Yeah.
The most challenging thing, I guess, in FCPS is to balance your whole life, your time management and all. क्योंकि अगर आप सब चीज़ों को एक साथ cram करोगे तो it will be very difficult. But
Yeah.
yes, if you are following your schedule, like, you know, you are quite tight to do little by little something every
Yeah.
day, ठीक है, then you are pursuing to that part, ठीक है.
Okay.
अब अगर उसकी बात करें, हम difficulty की बात करें तो difficult तो है. It's a post grad program,
Yeah.
ठीक है. And इसमें आपकी जो कैपेबिलिटीज़ हैं वो डिफरेंट तरीके से जज हो रही होती हैं,
Yeah.
राइट? तो आई वुड नॉट से कि इट्स इजी, इट्स डिफिकल्ट,
But it's doable.
but it's doable. If you are persistent,
Yeah.
you are giving that commitment and dedication to it, then yes, you can.
It's doable. That makes sense. Okay, so the idea behind Career Crossroads is that when we were younger, we didn't have any platform जहाँ हमें BDS करने के बाद, house job करने के बाद, nobody was telling us how to go into a post-grad program, right? बाहर जाना है, you don't know how to go about it. पाकिस्तान में रहना है, you don't know about it. Literally everyone has something different to say. I'm
Yeah.
talking from personal experience.
Yeah.
You want to do MPhil, someone will tell you, yes, amazing, go for it. Other person will tell you, scope ही नहीं है, like, why are you wasting your time? Same goes for FCPS. A billion people would tell you that, like, what's the difference between an FCPS and a general dentist? So, like, we didn't have something like this. So how do you think Career Crossroads can help the upcoming dentists?
Well, I guess you are so right, because when I was like, going through all this, it was very difficult for me
Yeah.
to where to go, where not to. This platform, I think, is a great initiative,
Yeah.
because people like us, because if we put ourselves in those shoes, it was very difficult. So we will be providing them a great platform.
Yeah.
We will be helping them and supporting them to, like, make decisions for themselves.
Yeah.
Whether to choose FCPS or not, whether to
Okay.
choose some other degree or some other postgrad program, that
Yeah.
will be very, I guess, easy for them to think Because we will be like,
Weigh the
identifying
pros and
options for them,
cons,
yes,
yeah.
with the pros and cons.
Yeah.
And then they will be deciding for them according to their circumstances and perspectives.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, we're so happy to have you as a consultant on Career Crossroads because you have done so well for yourself. I'm sure बहुत सारे students होंगे who want to be you one day, an orthodontist, the queen. So, so if someone contacts you, कि
Yeah.
अच्छा Dr. Bushra, I'm just getting done with my house job and I want to get into the FCPS. मैं करूँ या मैं नहीं करूँ तो मैं पढ़ना कब शुरू करूँ and where should I study from, what should I study, then how do you think you can help them?
Okay, see, if they're interested for FCPS, then I would suggest them to study right after their house job or during their house job if they're like, managing
Yeah.
the clinical work with studies. So, and it's the basic studies for the part 1 exam.
Yeah.
Say not the clinical studies. So they can do that around, say, with the books and all, because this is precise smart study, not like, a complete whole subject study.
Yeah.
ठीक है. So, and beside that, I will be there for them, to stepwise guide them what to do, what to focus, what to follow. So yeah, it will be like a good.
Like you can make the
Yeah.
roadmap for
Yeah, yeah,
them and you
exactly.
can tell them.
Exactly.
Obviously, और जब ये process आप कर रहे होते हैं ना तो one thing you really need is motivation and someone to keep telling you that okay, this is not the end. You're gonna get there. You're gonna get there. So we're expecting you to be that person for the next generation, for the fresh grads, and I'm sure you will do an amazing job because your willingness to help is amazing, to be very honest. But so are there any tools or resources that you can think can help जो FCPS करना चाह रहे हों और जो पढ़ रहे हों उसके लिए तो what do you think helped you and what do you think can help them?
Achha, listen, when it comes to part 1, again, there's like, a whole list of books,
Yeah.
ठीक है, which we tell them or provide them, ask them to get those books and start studying. Like, and again, वही roadmap की बात अगर हम करें तो schedule को follow करना, timetable को follow करना is the most important thing.
Yeah.
ठीक है, क्योंकि subject, because there are a lot of subjects involved in the part 1 exam. ठीक है, तो उसको पूरा plan करके चलना कि इस दिन हमने इस तरह से study करना है and
Yeah.
by the end of the day we will be covering all these things. That is different. ठीक है, but when it comes to like part 2, as in the whole FCPS journey, of course, whole list of books, different resources, literature, online journals. We have to go through all of them to keep ourselves updated for the exams.
Yeah, of
ठीक
course.
है?
It's like a continuous learning process.
Yeah, so वो तो है. And again, you have to be like, very tight on your schedule. Make sure कि सब कुछ cram ना हो क्योंकि उसमें research भी है, आपको अपने synopsis dissertation पे काम करना है, आपको workshops लेनी है, आपको study करना है, आपको clinical practice पे ध्यान देना है. So like, you have to jot down everything on daily basis कि इस दिन मैंने ये सब अपने goals achieve करने हैं. So that is how it will be and that is how I will be helping them to.
So, female dentists, when they graduate, then naturally a lot of people end up getting married, women, and then they end up having kids. Do you think agar this girl got married after their house job, do you think that person can continue pursue FCPS or do you think उनके लिए बिल्कुल impossible है, नहीं manage हो पाएगा? They should not even consider this.
अच्छा मानूर देखो इसमें married hona is not a problem.
Yeah.
Having kids is not the problem.
Yeah.
The thing is how strong is your support system. ठीक है?
Welcome.
Because when you're leaving your kids at home, you will make sure कि okay, there must be somebody looking after them in your absence. ठीक है? But if you are like, continuously thinking about them कि okay, like क्या कर रहे हैं, किस तरह से हो रहा होगा घर में, अकेले हैं, like, different things. तो आप अपने काम पे focus नहीं कर पाते.
Okay.
So again, वो सब तो है, वो तो आप कर रहे हो, but at the back, your support system, that counts a lot.
Yeah.
I have few colleagues who are FCPS now, mashallah, and they were doing their residency when they were like having kids.
Yeah.
Because they
In
were
the process,
pregnant. Yes, they
yeah.
were pregnant in the process. So it was difficult for them, no doubt. ठीक है? But again, the support system was good enough to like, push them and motivate
Okay,
them.
so you're telling me that for girls also who have families now, मुश्किल है but impossible नहीं
Yeah,
है. So
exactly.
a lot of people need to hear
Yes.
this, to be very
and
honest.
you know what? Some people, they take a gap.
Yeah.
One of my colleague, like,
Yeah,
my-
what do you think about that gap and how do you think we can get back to FCPS?
You can, if you are motivated again.
Yeah.
One of my dear colleagues, she took, I guess, 5 to 6 years of gap.
Okay.
Right after house job. She was
Yeah.
doing nothing just because of her 2 boys.
Yeah.
Because they were younger.
Yeah.
And then she started residency in operative.
Yeah, okay.
ठीक है? So, mashallah, she has done her residency. Now she will be preparing for her exam. So yeah, it's doable.
So it's all about
if-
your will and your
yeah,
passion, and
exactly.
of course your support
Exactly.
system. Thank you so much, Dr. Bushra, for coming here. We were very happy to have you here because I learned a lot myself, to be very honest, about FCPS and the journey and everything. And I'm sure a lot of fresh graduates, like dental graduates, will learn a lot from your podcast. And if they want to get in touch with you, I'm sure they have a lot to learn from you. So thank you so much for coming here, and we're very lucky to have you on board at Career Crossroads.
You're welcome. Thank you so much.